Welcome to Plus. Overflow hidden CSS is not perfect. Sometimes it creates issues. For overflow in CSS, we have these values: visible, hidden, clip, scroll, auto. Most of the time, we use overflow hidden. That may not be the best practice. So this is the HTML that I have got. Just a bunch of divs and paragraphs. And this is the CSS. Box sizing, border box, HTML height 100%, body margin 0, display grid, place items, center, min height, heading, font size. This is the result. And we have got divs and a section. For div, width 400 pixels, some padding, border. For section, font weight, font size, some padding, margin bottom, width 6, 10px, and background. Nothing special, just regular styles. And this is the result. I have div width set to 400px. Now in this case, if I want to make overflow y hidden for the div, I'll do something like this: div overflow y hidden. And here overflow x became hidden. But why? I used overflow y hidden, not overflow x hidden. But overflow x is also hidden, and we see scroll bars here. I used only overflow y hidden. Why overflow x is hidden? Let's make overflow x visible. That did not make any difference. Same result. So here, instead of overflow y hidden, if we use overflow y clip, then overflow x is not hidden and is visible, and our problem is solved. The difference between overflow hidden and overflow clip lies in how they handle content outside the element's bounding box. Overflow hidden hides overflowing content and prevents it from being visible. It still generates a scrolling mechanism like scroll bars or other layout calculations based on the overflowing content. But overflow clip simply clips any content outside the bounding box without generating scrollable areas or considering the overflowing content for layout calculations. So if overflow hidden does not work, use overflow clip. You will be surprised. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.